All right, so here we are with another video. This is going to be a trade recap of my live US30 trade today and signal. Total profit is $5,015. So very nice day. Very nice profit. Still, sometimes, man, this shit don't feel real. I never, thought I'd be coming and making literally $5,000 in a day. Basically trading less than in 1 minute. So I got in this trade at 16:30 and I got out at 16:31. So this is a live account. Top left corner, you guys can see live account. I don't make these videos that often because they really don't get that many views. I feel like a lot of people don't really care for them. They don't really care to hear how much money somebody made. They care more about videos that are gonna, they can either follow along, watch me live trade, take the signals, or actually learn how to use like the platform, and other charts and strategies and yada. So these kind of videos really don't get that many views. People really don't care to hear, oh, you made $5,000 today, big deal, blah blah. But some people do like the videos. They like to hear my thought process. So I'm gonna share it with you guys right now. So US30, I put the buy signal out there at 47,942, and you guys can see here in the Telegram group. So the Telegram group is basically where I tell people, where I share my ideas, where I'm looking to buy, where I'm looking to sell, in my areas of take profit. So I did tell the group I'm buying US30 at 47,942.41. Why did I tell them I'm looking to buy at that area? On the 15-minute chart, we had a massive resistance area at that key target level. You can see right here, as of yesterday, yesterday, December 3rd, is that she basically kept peeking out here at this area and then pop it for just crazy wicks, and then finally she did break out, and then she basically gapped down and was testing that area multiple times. Okay, so ultimately I was looking for it to basically close the gap and break over this high here. So I basically drew that line in the sand, and that was an area, right? We pulled back pre-market, so I want to see when the market opened for it to basically rip up, fill my order, break this resistance area, close the gap, break the highs, and push up. Now I jumped in this trade, and I basically stopped out at my take profit 3, which is basically 47,990. Because what happened was I basically trimmed some off, and she pulled back. And when she pulled back, I was like, ooh, I got a little scared. I'm like, what the fuck? And that basically closed out the entire trade. When I closed out the entire trade, that's when she basically ripped up. So, I mean, in theory, if I held a little bit longer, could have made $7, $8, $9, possibly $11,000. But I'm still happy with the $5,000. That's life-changing money. Because not too shortly after I jumped out of the trade, she did pop up, but then she dropped all the way down. So, it's that fucking mental game where it's like, all right, you get out of a trade and then it keeps going. Or let's say if I didn't get out of the trade, right? Let's say if I didn't get out of the trade and I was holding it, instead of taking $5,000 of profit, the area I jumped out of the trade is where she actually then basically dropped all the way down. Then it's kind of one of those things where it's like, well, shit, I could have made $5,000, but instead I was a greedy motherfucker, and now I lost, $1,000 or $2,000, or I got out of the trade for break even. Right? I really got out of the trade for $5,000 and know that it kept going versus, not getting out of the trade at all. And that's the hard part with trading, right? It's not buying, right? It's not buying at 47,942. It's not, the hard part is closing out of the trade and locking those profits. Because ultimately, like you said, she fucking kept going. I could have made another $5,000, $6,000, or even another $1,000, $3,000. But then look how hard it dropped. I can guarantee you that there's people out there, 100% guaranteed, that there's people that bought right here at this wick, bought over this high. And then I can guarantee 100% there's people that bought up here. There's people that bought up here and then they just got dumped on. Not me, right? And you wouldn't want to do that. You wouldn't want to trade like that. So anyways, that's just a quick little video breakdown for you guys. Again, live account, $5,000. Basically just break everything down. If you guys are interested in using the same broker as me, the link is below this YouTube video. The link to the Telegram group, all the links are below this YouTube video if you guys are interested in any of them. As always, all I ask for is that you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one.